Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add zoom in and out effect to your clips on the CapCut PC. So here, I'm going to just use keyframes feature on CapCut PC to create the zoom effect. So what you need to do is click on your clips and you can see there is a position and size settings and scale here. So what you need to do is add keyframes in the scale option. So first add keyframe at the start. So this is for the zoom in. So for the zoom in, you just need to add keyframe at the start and then at the end of the clip, or I'm going to just add maybe this in the middle here. Add another keyframe and adjust the scale or make the scale bigger to have that zoom in effect. So your video will go like this. Okay, it will zooming in slowly, and I'm going to add another keyframe in here to add the zoom out effect. So I'm going to make the scale to its original position, which is 100%, like this, to have that zoom out effect. So after that, your video will go like this. It will zooming it in, then zoom out again. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks button. Thank you.